Vicky with you, and today I want to play in my journal, my magazine journal that Janet made me. And I thought I was going to use some of the words and stuff that's here. And I saw this beautiful lady, and I like using images that are big in this journal because it's a very tall journal. So I figured we could use that and some of those tabs maybe, and just have fun with this and try to use up some stash and stuff. So I'm looking for some pages that haven't been done, and I haven't played in the front for a while, so maybe I should do something in the front. I pulled out these pages, which I thought were going to be great backgrounds, and I'm thinking of just tearing it apart in strips and making a background that way. So like of strips like this. I don't know if it's gonna work and how it's gonna look, but I just thought it could be a fun way of using some magazine cutouts, pages that I've done, because I cut them out and then, well, I need to use them. So, and I don't like using just the big page as it is. It's kind of more fun to make a different type of background. So maybe something like that. So this and that, and then this. I'm trying to keep it open. There's writing here, but I'm going to be using the tall lady, and she's looking that way, so it's probably better. I put her here, so she's kind of looking backwards on this, maybe, and she's going to cover the fact that there's writing on there. And she would cover it more if I switch those two around. Like so. Something like that. Kind of like that. So I'll just, so when I cut my images, I don't go too close to the edge. I go really quickly. And I tend to keep the fussy cutting more to when I'm actually using them. Okay, so like that. Now I just need to glue this down. So it's going to be, I think I'm just going to use my glue stick for this. All the way to the edge. I think I actually went a bit too far, so that's pretty good. And it's this one. So, are you doing magazine journaling? Are you having fun with them? You find that what I love them because now that I've actually started, like really gotten into it, because initially I didn't want to get into it because it was the beautiful journal that Janet gave me. But obviously, I mean, it's just a magazine, and if I don't use it, who's gonna use it, right? So so now I'm really into it. I love it. I should put it upside down like this, because it would be closer, and or this way. Yeah, this way would be even better. There's less weight at the top. So I've been enjoying the summer, well, what I see of it when I'm not working, and still working crazy hours because of the fact that it's year-end and month-end and budget and whatever. It's funny how a life of an accountant can be so busy. I'm very much looking forward to my next vacation, which will be in the fall. But in the meantime, I wish our renos would happen, and still waiting on that. Very aggravating. I hate that it's so complicated to get good contractors that do the job they're supposed to do and get paid for. The good thing is, even though we're going through this stressful time, and I know that there's a lot of couples that one of the things that is hard for a couple is to go through renos, and for marriage it's kind of tough, but we're doing fine on that. So that's good news. I guess we're a strong team together. Yeah, I like her on this. So I'm just gonna glue her down. Okay, and I got this quote here that says bien dans sa tête, bien dans sa vie. So if you're good in your head, it goes well in your life. And I think that's very true. And it's something I need to remind myself. So I think I'm going to use it here. And I wanted to use some of those scraps as well, if I could, because I've got a bunch of them. They're the Teresa Collins from some other projects that I did, and I can't throw away scraps, so I ended up keeping them, but I need to use up the stuff. So maybe I can use it here. How about kind of as a frame to this? And something like that. And then I have some words here. I don't know. Okay, let's start off by gluing what I've got here first, and then we can decide if I can use the rest. So, go there. This here. That. I'll cut it after. See, because this is the end of the paper, so I could just throw this because I've used the rest of the paper, but there's a design on it. Yeah, it's bad, guys. I'm telling you, it's a disease. I'll glue those two little pieces first, and then I'll glue the sentiment. Fun just gluing paper like that. And that's a page that costs like nothing, next to nothing, because it's magazine cutouts, and you know, I get some magazines from friends and stuff. Don't get me wrong, I also purchased some, but there's a bunch that I got from friends, and I think the ones with the images of the garden were from a friend. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the little mess here. It's going to hide some of the wording that was there. I'm just going for it. Put a little tab for the fun of it. And just tie it together. And I've got less on that sheet. Actually, I'm going to cut out the alphabet, because the alphabet I can use on something else, and I can motivate myself to use this on some other stuff. It's actually small pieces, so I could use those on all kinds of different things. Just don't think of using them. Anyway, so that's my page, my journaling page. Hope you like it. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below and to subscribe if you haven't already. Getting very close to the 5,000 subscribers. Bye everyone.